Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your devices on TikTok. So this feature can be useful if you use TikTok on multiple devices. For example, if you have more phones than one, maybe you have an Android phone and an iPhone, or you also use TikTok on your iPad, or any situation where you have multiple devices logged into your TikTok. So to do this, to manage this feature, first of all, you have to go to your TikTok profile. Then at the right top corner, you will find the settings menu. In the settings menu, at the account section, you will find the security and login. When you tap on it, you will see four options here, and to manage your devices, you will have to choose the second one, manage devices. Just tap on the manage devices option, and here you will see all the devices that are logged into your account, and you can also manage them. For example, you can delete one if you don't want to use TikTok on that device, or maybe you sold your phone and you want to remove that account from TikTok, or maybe in worst situations, if someone hacked your TikTok and is using your TikTok on his own device, you can remove it from this menu. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.